Hello friends, in this video we will find missing frequencies. If more than one means two missing frequencies are given, then how we can find missing frequencies? This type of problem we can see in this video. First, definition of arithmetic mean: if continuous or group data is given is x1 x2 xn, suppose these are our class marks or mid values, and corresponding frequencies, suppose f1 f2 up to fn, then arithmetic mean is defined as x bar is equal to f1 into x1 plus f2 into x2 up to fn into xn upon f1 plus f2 plus fn. This is our formula. Take this problem. Find the missing frequencies. If the mean is 14 and sum of frequency is 20. Here class 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 16, 16 to 20, 20 to 24, 24 to 28, 28 to 32. These classes are given and corresponding frequencies are 2, 4 first missing frequency, then 2, 2, 1 second missing frequency, and 3. This data is given. First, we have to calculate class marks of given classes. See here plus class is 0 to 4. Therefore, first mid value is upper limit plus lower limit upon 2 means 4 plus 0 upon 2 means 4 upon 2 is equal to 2. Then second mid value 8 plus 4 upon 2, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 upon 4 is 6. Then third mid value 12 plus 8 upon 2, 12 plus 8 is 20, 20 upon 2 is 10. Then next mid value 16 plus 12 upon 2 is equal to 14. Like this we can find mid values and consider our first missing frequency is f1 and second missing frequency is f2. Then we know here our formula to find arithmetic mean is f1 x1 up to fn xn upon sum of frequency. Therefore, first we find f into x. See here, f is 2, x is 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 6 is 24, 10 into f1 is 10 f1, 14 into 2 is 28, etc. f2 into 26 is 26 x2, and last value is 3 into 30 is 90. These are our values of f into x, and summation f is 2 plus 4 plus f1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus f2 plus 3. These are our values of summation f and summation f into x. Therefore here summation f is 14 plus f1 plus f2, and given this term means summation f, sum of frequency is 20. Therefore 14 plus f1 plus f2 is 20, and sum of f into x is 204 plus 10 f1 plus 26 f2. Then we use these values in our formula and we can find missing frequencies. From the first, as 14 plus f1 plus f2 is 20, therefore f1 plus f2 is equal to 20 minus 14. 20 minus 14 is 6. Therefore our first equation is f1 plus f2 is equal to 6. Then for second equation, consider our general formula. X bar is equal to f1 x1 plus f2 x2 up to fn xn upon f1 plus f2 plus fn. This is equal to 204 plus 10 f1 plus 26 f2 upon 14 plus f1 plus f2, and given is arithmetic mean is 14. Therefore we use this 14 value here. We get 14 is equal to this, and if we cross multiply this, we get 14 into 14 is 196 plus 14 f1 plus 14 f2 is equal to 204 plus 10 f1 plus 26 f2. Then we rearrange these terms. 14f1, this 14f1 minus 10f1 is equal to 26f2 minus this 14f2 plus 204 minus 196. If we solve, we get 4f1 is equal to 12f2 plus 8, and if we divide this by 4, we get f1 is equal to 3f2 plus 2. This is our equation number 2. Then we solve equation number 1 and 2. Okay, see here, equation 1 is f1 plus f2 is equal to 6, and equation second is f1 minus 3f2 is equal to 2. If we solve these two equations, first we subtract equation number 2 from 1, we get f1 minus f1 is 0 f1, then f2 minus here is plus f2 plus 3 f2, this is equal to 4f2, this equal to 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2 is 4, therefore 0f1 plus 4f2 is equal to 4, that is 4f2 is equal to 4, means f1 is equal to 1. Here value of f1 is 1. If we put here value of f2 is 1. If we put value of f2 in any one of these equation, we will get value of f1. Put value of f2 in equation suppose 1. Then if we put value of f2 which is 1 in equation this, here f1 plus 1 is equal to 6. Therefore f1 is equal to 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. Therefore value of f1 is 5. In this way we can find our missing frequencies. Then most important problem is how to find mean if discontinuous classes are given. First we convert discontinuous classes into continuous form. For this, suppose we take one problem. Convert given classes into discontinuous form. Suppose our discontinuous classes are 2 to 4, then 5 to 7, 8 to 10, 11 to 13, and 14 to 16. Suppose these are our discontinuous classes. We have to convert these discontinuous classes into continuous form. For this, we know this is our for class 2 to 4. 2 is our lower limit and 4 is our upper limit. For class 5 to 7, 5 is our lower limit and 7 is our upper limit. For continuous form, here we have to select upper limit of first class and lower limit of second class, and if we take mid value of these two, means 5 plus 4 upon 2 which is 4.5 is our mid value of this. So for this consider two classes, first two classes 2 to 4 and 5 to 7. Then see here, upper limit of first class is 4, then lower limit of second class is 5. Here difference between these two is upper limit of first two class minus lower limit of second class is equal to upper limit of first class minus lower limit of second class is equal to 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, and if we divide this one by 2 we get 0.5. Then our next procedure is we have to add this 0.5 in the upper limit of each class, and we have to subtract 0.5 from lower limit of each class. We get for first class 2.2 to 4, here 2 minus this our value 0.5 to 4 plus 0.5. Therefore 2 minus 0.5 is 1.5 to 4 plus 0.5 which is 4.5. This is our next class, and then if we follow this same procedure for all the classes, we will get classes 1.5 to 4.5. Second class is 4.5 to 7.5. Third class is 7.5 to 10.5. Next class is 10.5 to 13.5. and last class is 13.5 to 16.5. These are our continuous class. So this is procedure to find discontinuous classes into continuous form. Then take one problem. Calculate the arithmetic mean of the following distribution. Suppose these classes are given and corresponding frequencies are 30, 60, 20, 40 and 50. These are our frequencies. Then first we have to convert these discontinuous classes into continuous form. Here in the previous slide I have already converted these discontinuous classes into continuous form. You follow same procedure and find these discontinuous classes into continuous form. Its continuous form is 1.5 to 4.5, 4.5 to 7.5, etc. 13.5 to 16.5. Then its mid values are 4.5, which is upper limit, plus 1.5, which is lower limit, divided by 2. If we add these two values, 4.5 plus 1.5, we get 6, and 6 upon 2 is 3. So this 3 is our first mid value. Then second mid value, 7.5 plus 4.5 upon 2. 7.5 plus 4.5 is 12. 12 upon 2 is 6. Similarly, we can calculate all mid values. These are our values of x. Then values of x are f are given. If we calculate f into x, here f is 30, x is 3, 30 into 3 is 900, then 60 into 6 is 360, then 20 into 9 is 180, then 40 into 12 is 480, and 50 into 15 is 750. Then we have to calculate f into x, summation f into x. Summation f into x is 2670 and summation f is 200. Then we use our formula x bar is equal to summation f into x upon summation f. Here summation f into x is 2670 and summation f is 200. Therefore arithmetic mean is 2670 upon 200 is equal to 13.35. This is our final answer. Thank you.